Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Swati Ganesh Creations. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the last minute Diwali decorations that we can do at our home. Let's start. So the first thing I'm going to show here is this DIY table runner. You can see the sides are not looking perfect, so I wanted to stick them using hot glue gun. I'm not going to do any stitching here. I have just stuck the sides using hot glue gun and you can see the perfect looking table runner is ready. Now I'm going to do some pom-pom balls for one of my runner and tassels for my another runner. I have done two runners in the same manner. I have shared this already in my last year Diwali video. If you want to check out my last year Diwali decorations, I'll give the link in the description box. You guys can check it out. So just cut out the extras and our pom-pom ball is ready. So now let's make tassels. So just trim the ends and our tassels are ready and we can stick them to the runner with the help of hot glue gun. So next step is a simple one to transform our homes for Diwali. It is to change in our throw cushions to something colorful and add in a throw. You need not purchase any throw for this. You can use your Benares dupatta or silk dupatta as throw as I have done here. And next comes our center table decoration. For this I have just added a decorative tray and I am going to use these artificial flower garlands. I'm just going to add some candles. Or we can use a glass bowl with some water and we can drop in some rose petals along with some roses and some floating candles. We can use DIY urli or DIY stand to decorate our homes. Here I am showing you guys how I made a DIY urli. So I have decorated it the same way that I did for the center table decoration. Or you can make this choki or diya stand with the help of waste cardboards. I have shown the process in my previous video. I'll put the link in the description box and you guys can check it out. The most simplest way to transform our homes for Diwali is to use LED string lights or LED candles, and you can see how magical the space looks. Adding LED string lights at the back of the curtains bring in a beautiful effect to the whole setup. So we can even add the LED lights in our bedrooms to bring in that festive look. And festive season is a time that we can use to display our traditional decors. So bring in all your traditional decors and decorate them in your living space to make the space look festive. If you don't have any traditional decor, you can even DIY them. I have done some of the DIYs and I have links to all those in the description box below. So I am going to decorate this corner in my space. The first thing I would do is to add in a traditional decor. I got this cow head from a shop on Instagram. It is called Handicraft. And I'm going to add in a lantern because Diwali is a festival of lights and we can add lights and lanterns in every corner of our house. And I'm going to add in a plant. And then I will add this small LED light. So you can see the decor looks festive and traditional. So the next thing we can do is to use flower garlands, and you can see they instantly transform any space and give them an instant festive look. Let me show you guys some innovative way in which we can even use these flower garlands. I had these brass vessels with me, so I'm just going to make a display using them. If you guys are bad at making rangoli like me, then this is for you guys. So these rangoli designs are very easy to make with the glass colors and stones. I have shown them in one of my video. I'll give the link in the description box, and I'm just going to use some flowers. I have added artificial flower garland around like this, and I'm just going to add some LED lights. The perfect looking rangoli for Diwali is ready. I'm also going to show you guys a different design that we can make. So we can even put the flower garland like this and just fill in the flowers in that space, and you can see a different looking rangoli is ready instantly. And that's it for my Diwali decoration hacks. I hope you guys would have found this video useful. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up, and also please do share it with your friends and family who are looking for unique decoration ideas for this Diwali season. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on that ting 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 bell icon so you get notifications of all our future videos. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye. Have a safe and happy Diwali.